Exercise 40. The graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane above. Which of the following could define f? Okay, let's see what that's a typical exercise actually. I can see the zeros, which means the roots. The roots are this, this, and that. So it's when x is 1, when x is -2, and when x is -4. So this means that I should be able to see x minus 1, x minus -2, so x plus 2, and x plus 4 somehow in the function's notation. So x plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 1, this means that a could be x plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 1, here it could be x minus 4, no, it's rejected straight away, x minus 4, the same. So I'm now between A and B. Which is going to be though, A or B? To help me decide that, I cannot work with multiplicities because all of them are of multiplicity 1. I'll work with a point and I'll go to the graph and notice that when x is 0, the y value is negative. So I'm going to apply this to both A and B. Let's go to A. For x equals 0, y would be -1/4, 0 plus 4 times 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 1. So it's -1/4 times 4 times 2 times -1, which is equal to positive. But I didn't want that to be positive. I wanted that to be negative. So this should be rejected as well. So far I rejected A, C, and D. It's obviously B.